is involved, it means that it is the condition of congruency. Excuse me. What do you mean by a similar triangle?
Sir, जिनके सारे एंगल सेम
And
सारे साइड एंगल सेम
सारी साइड सेम हो सारे एंगल सेम हो बात
congruency. Congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. One side should be involved. Triple S. Side, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. One side is involved in that. You have to prove that. Then congruency holds. Similarity. Similar triangles. Similar triangles are those triangles if all three angles are equal. All three angles are equal. Or all the sides are in a fixed ratio. All the sides are in a fixed ratio.
So if it's written on this.
I am explaining you. For example, the two triangles are similar because all the angles are equal in this case. The two triangles are similar. A, B, C, D, E. ABC is similar to ADE. ADE. Triangle ADE. Then, which one is similar? A, B, C is similar to ADE. Look at the sequence. AB over AD equals to AC over AE. AC over equals to BC over DE. It means that all the sides are in a fixed ratio. Side of this triangle and side of that triangle.
So ये किसी
What is it?
formula भी है ना?
जी?
So ये किसी चीज का formula भी है?
ट्रिग्नोमेट्री
Similar. Similar.
Sin
A over sin A equals to B over sin B.
वो इसी तरह होगा।
अच्छा इसी तरह
फिर वो भी पिक करना
वो क्या
वो क्या
इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भाई इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इंशाल्लाह आफ्टर द अच्छा बच्चों ए बी ओवर ए डी then AC over AE. If you started with the smaller one in the numerator, so all the numerator should be from the smaller one. Okay, and denominator from the bigger one. All the sides are in a fixed ratio. Similarity, whenever in a question he uses the word similar, then area ratio of the similar area ratio of the area of the similar figures is L1 over L2 whole square. V1 over V2 volume of the similar equals to L1 over L2 whole cube.
So लेकिन ये किसमें
Similar.
So like what is the question?
Question is The two triangles are similar. The two triangles are similar. Please, which one? A, B, C. Triangle. Triangle A, B, and C. A, B, and then A, then B, then C.
is equal to
Angle A, E, E, D, C. E, D, C. It's fine. Look at the two triangles. I said which one the similars. So please, this angle B is equals to that one. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Angle A is equals to angle I started from that. A, B, and A, double angles. E, then single, then C. Okay? अच्छा बच्चों. It is single and it is double. What is the ratio? Excuse me. What is the ratio of the area?
area L1 over L2 square. Length 1 over L2.
Area A1 and A2. So A1 over A2 equals to L1 over L2 whole square. 1 over 2. One by 4. A1 over A2. Area of this diagram is 4 times. Area of this triangle is 4 times that triangle. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any other question of circles? No, sir.
So,
Have you noted that?
yes.
No?
Yes, sir. Math का पेपर था
जिस दिन ईद है जिस दिन ईद है
और ईद के दिन भाई
इंग्लिश है
ईद के दिन जो है ना केमिस्ट्री का पेपर
इंग्लिश का भी है
full of micro people.
T4 16 क्लास
AFE is a straight line. A, F, and E is a straight line. And AF equals to FE. Both the sides are equal. Then there is a side B. C. C is above F. C. B. And E.
इन सर्कल्स का समझ
पता नहीं इसका। अच्छा F D F C E अच्छा जी and B E B E this side and this side, these three sides are equal. It is equal. The three sides are equal. This side, and this side.
Sir, what's the question number?
Question number 2. F A
फोर साइड इक्वल
equals to F B. F B is also equal. F B is equal, F C is equal to, and F E is equal. अच्छा जी.
फिर पैरेलल
अच्छा regular octagon. Regular, it is a regular octagon. Regular octagon. 4 sides है कौन कौन सी A B B C A B B C A B B C C D and D E are the 4 adjacent sides of a regular octagon. Calculate X, calculate T. X and Y. X and Y. CF meets BE at G. No, it is not the question of circles. What is, excuse me, what is octagon?
8 side.
8 sided. 8 sided. 8 minus 2 into 180 equals to 6 into 6 zeros are 0, 6 8 are 48, 8 4 carry, 6 1 are 6, 10 80. 10 divided by 1080 divided by 8. 1 angle. 135 angle. 135. 135 degrees. 135 degrees. अच्छा AB. AB. Where is AB? AB, BC, CD, DE. Are the adjacent sides? It is 135. The complete angle is 135. Okay. This angle is also equals to 135. 135. 135. G बच्चों. Both the sides are equal.
सर अगर इक्वल है तो सर हम ये ए और ई को भी तो हाफ करके मार्क कर सकते हैं तो 135 का हाफ कर
A और
ई को
where is A and E?
सर the very bottom
अच्छा. Maybe or may not. अच्छा 135. 180. Subtract it from 180. Both the sides are equal. Both the sides are equal.
40 सर 45 45 है सर 55 45 45
45 and 45. Oh yaar. Oh yaar. Isosceles triangle. Bhai, isosceles triangle. 22.5. Oh, 22.5. Both the sides are equal. Regular octagon is given to you. So both the sides are equal. Okay. Subtract 180 from 135 from 180. Answer will be divided by 2. 22.5. Next. What you said, half of this 135? Half of the angle. Half of the angle is T and half of the angle is this one. Achha ji, both the sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. Opposite.
67.5.
T 67.5 divided by 135 divided by 2.
Yes.
This side equals to this one.
67.
67.135. When subtracted, you will get 45.
Yes, sir.
It is 45.
Sir, was straight line
Which one?
Except for the
Yes,
So sir, Z.
it is the straight line. It is the
Z
straight
is
line.
45.
90 minus 1.
Why 90 minus 40?
So क्योंकि वो straight line है.
Yeah, 90? Yes, it is a perpendicular.
Sir, तो Z is 45 होगा.
45 there, there.
Z is also 45.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. It is 45. Z. Z is 45. We left with
By.
Y. So 135 divided by 2, 67.5. 67.5 is 22.5. When you subtract this, you will get Y. Y equals to 67.5 minus 22.5.